Today I'll tell you about the sport king. It is not simply a hobby, but also a passion of mine. It's a sport can make not only me but most people in the world like it. Sport that I'm talking about is football. Just need a ball and a few friends. You can play anywhere. An international football match was held in the stadium with two teams, each team consisting of one goalkeeper and 10 players, and thousands of spectators cheer for teams. The winner is the team puts the ball through the other team's much more. Football is a sport that teaches us a lot of good qualities such as perseverance, teamwork, focus. I think football is a sport that is extremely simple because even young children can play it easily and fun.